Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. We are back. We have another grill checked off the list, and we back with another episode of the grill series, man. Let's get into today's unboxing. All right, guys. So I haven't did an episode, the grill series in a very long time, but this one is well overdue, like I said. And first things first, man, shout out to the homie Ron got sold. He recently sold a couple pairs out of his collection. He was downsizing, and me and him were the same size. And I said, bro, as soon as you start throwing these pairs, hit me up first or let me know when you go post on your IG story. It was a couple of pairs that I missed out on by like a couple of minutes, maybe about 10-15 minutes. Somebody else grabbed them because he was letting steals and deals go. So again, shouts out to the homie Ron got sold. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do is subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy. Shouldn't miss out on any content that we do drop. Like I said in my previous video, a lot of you guys are subbed up, but y'all ain't got the notification bell hit, man. So right now, if you don't even want to hit the like button, please hit the notification bell so you can pull up, be a part of the notification gang. So every time we drop one of these bangers, you guys are first to know. You come pull up, check out what your boy's talking about, and drop some comments down below because you guys know I respond to every single comment. And if you don't mind, go ahead and smack that like button right now for your boy. Want to get every single video up to 500 likes. That shows YouTube you guys are actually enjoying the content, and it helps the channel grow, man. So please spam them likes up right now. All right, man, we are back, bro. I'm super excited for this one right here. Like I said, this is a pair I actually did have in the collection a couple of years ago, but I sold them. I'm like, what? I'm thinking about it now. Why did I sell this pair of the collection? Like, this could be 2-3 different title videos, but we are doing another grill boxing, so we had to do an episode of the grill series, man. So super excited for these. I don't know why I sold them a couple of years back. I did downsize a couple of times out of my collection because I had too many pairs. It was at one point in time I had like 250 pairs of shoes. And I'm like, bro, what am I doing? I was during the COVID times. You guys remember when I was just sitting in the crib, didn't even wear the shoes. So I was like, bruh, it's time to let some of these go. But like I said, we are back. Shouts out to the homie Ron got sold. I can't wait to see these things. Got a DS pair, but a Lowski. I got them for the Lowski. So that's even better, man. When you get one of them grill sneakers that you got for a really good price, you in for a good treat. And I'm happy to be bringing you guys this unboxing, man. So let's take a little peek. Hold on, bro. Hold on. You guys see it, bro. You guys see it right there, man. You see the box. Another pair of Air Jordan 4s, bro. You guys probably know, if you've been collecting sneakers for at least a couple years, you know exactly what shoes these are, man. Check out the box, bro. Down all over, tannish, brownish box with the flight up top with the red Jumpman. Just go ahead and read the official colorway, bro. Let's get into it, man. Air Jordan 4 Retro, Topaz, Infrared 23. And we got these things in a size 9 right there, so you guys can peek. And it's time to get into it, bro. It's time to get into it, bro. If you guys excited, go ahead and drop some fire emojis down below. We're gonna get right into these Air Jordan 4s right now, man. And hold on. We got the things, wrapped up real nice. We're gonna peel these things open. It's finally here. We finally back in 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check them beauties out, bro. We are back. They are back in the collection. So we have the Air Jordan 4 Topaz, bro. Look at them beautiful things, man. Oh my God. Super clean. Hold on, bro. Yes, sir, bro. Shouts out to Ron got sold. So go ahead and pull both of these things out of the collection. Let me give you guys a quick little backstory when I actually did first get these things real quick. All right, guys. So back when these did release a couple of years ago, I sat in line for dang near 8 hours to get these sneakers from my local PX. You guys know at the PX, they sell shoes for under retail. I think these was like $160 out the door. They retail for $200. I sit outside for like 8 hours. And for me to sell them for what I sold them for is just super crazy. But that's neither here nor there. They are back now, and I got these things for a crazy good price, you feel me? So go ahead, check these beauties out, man. You got the Infrared 23 Jumpman on the tongue. You got that kind of like crackled effect on the toe box right here, as you guys can see, with a nice little, suede on the top, going all the way around the sneaker. And then on the back, bro, on the back, you got another, Topaz, Jumpman on the back of these Air Jordan 4s. This is one of them pairs I was first getting compared to, you know what I'm saying, the Travis Scott looking sneakers. But I feel like this is a sneaker of its own. They definitely killed it with this colorway. And a lot of people were skeptical before, you know what I'm saying, the drop. They were saying, you know, I might not like them. But when they actually did drop, people started seeing them in hand. A lot of people were definitely rocking out with them, was feeling them, and then them things sold out instantly. You guys check the resale value right now. They're going for a lot of money. So real quick, I'm actually gonna check the resale value, see what the things are hitting for. So let's go ahead and check on StockX real quick. Go ahead and pull them up. So for a size 9, these things is going for $378, bro. $378. That's not even near what I paid. Yeah, of course you gotta add in the shipping, the taxes, the fees, and stuff like that. So I'm super appreciative to have these joints back in the collection, bro. Like, look at them, bro. Look at them. These niggas do this talking for themselves. I don't have to say much. But like I said, I do really like how they did the whole little cracked out, you know what I'm saying, effect on certain parts of the sneaker, like the tongue, the heel of these joints right here, and of course, like I said, the toe box. And you kind of almost get like this off-white, you know what I'm saying, sailish midsole hit on the back of these Air Jordan 4s as well. You guys let me know right now down below in the comment section how you guys feel about my Grail pickup. Another one checked off the list. I was willing to pay, you know what I'm saying, that $400, and I seen a homie was selling some pairs. I said, hold on, he might have a couple pairs that I actually do want in the collection, and he definitely did, bro. I'm glad I waited when I did. He threw these joints up. I said, bro, go ahead and take them down. I'm sending you the bread right now. I need these joints back in the collection, man. Real quick before we wrap up today's video, I do want to see who all has a pair of the Air Jordan 4 Topazes in their collection. Where y'all rank these as far as Air Jordan 4s? Like, this is a non-OG colorway. Like I said, they do kind of give you like a Travis Scott vibe with the Topaz, the brownish hit all around the sneaker. You get the infrared hits, you get the nice, you know what I'm saying, effects on certain parts of the sneaker, like that crackle leather. And even this year, we are getting the Air Jordan 4 olives. I think that's what they call it, Air Jordan 4 olives. I'm gonna put a picture up right here. But them joints go even crazy too. I'm grabbing them. Hope everybody sleep on that release, because your boy loves Air Jordan 4s, Air Jordan 3s, and of course, you guys know, I love Air Jordan 1s. So like I said, man, drop y'all comments, thoughts, and opinions over the Air Jordan 4 Topaz down below in the comment section. Like I said, another Grail checked off the list. I'm super excited of having them. We're gonna go ahead and throw these joints on feet real quick so you guys can check them out. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you already been a part of the channel, hit the notification bell right now so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. Please leave a huge like on today's video. That helps show YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, helps this channel grow, and it's always greatly appreciated, man. Thanks for pulling up. I hope you enjoyed today's content, and with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.